Hey everyone, welcome back to WealthWise. Are you looking for ways to make extra money in 2024? Side hustles have never been easier to start, thanks to social media and online platforms. Today, I'm sharing 10 side hustles, including how to use TikTok, Instagram, and other creative ways to boost your income. So let's dive right in. First up, TikTok content creation. TikTok isn't just for dancing. It's become a massive platform for creators in niches like fitness, cooking, personal finance, and even storytelling. If you grow a following, you can earn through brand sponsorships, affiliate links, or TikTok's Creator Fund. Consistency is key. Posting 1 to 3 times a day and engaging with your audience can get you there faster. Instagram Reels is another big one. You can grow your audience by creating short, engaging videos in your niche, like fashion, tech, or parenting tips. Once you've built trust with your followers, use affiliate marketing to promote products you believe in. For example, Amazon's affiliate program is super beginner-friendly. Not a fan of being on camera? Consider creating UGC, user-generated content. Brands will pay you to create authentic content featuring their products. You don't need a huge following. Companies love working with everyday people who can produce relatable videos for their ads. If you're good at managing social media, why not do it for others? Small businesses are always looking for help creating posts, managing comments, and growing their social media accounts. Start by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Selling digital products is another amazing option. Think templates, printables, or ebooks. Canva makes it super easy to design these, and platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling them. The best part? It's passive income once you've created your products. Dropshipping and print-on-demand are great for those who want to sell products without managing inventory. Use platforms like Shopify for dropshipping or Teespring for custom merchandise. Focus on marketing through social media to reach your audience. Freelancing is a classic side hustle that's still thriving. If you're good at writing, design, or web development, check out platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to land gigs. Start small, build a portfolio, and charge more as you gain experience. If you're skilled in a subject or have a talent, consider tutoring or coaching online. Platforms like VIPKid are great for teaching English, while Zoom is perfect for hosting coaching sessions in areas like fitness, career advice, or mindset. Section 3, offline and local side hustles. If you have assets like a spare room, a car, or even camera equipment, you can rent them out. Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama are platforms that make this easy. It's a great way to generate passive income without too much effort. Love animals? Try pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners who need help. Plus, who doesn't love getting paid to hang out with adorable pets? And action. So, there you have it. 10 side hustles you can start in 2024, whether you want to leverage TikTok, Instagram, or go the freelancing route. The most important thing is to take action and experiment with what works for you. So, there you have it. 10 side hustles you can start in 2024, whether you want to leverage TikTok, Instagram, or go the freelancing route. The most important thing is to take action and experiment with what works for you. Which of these side hustles are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on making money, and share it with a friend.